Hello there, and welcome to the Cetacean Nation podcast. The little creature you saw when you clicked on today's episode is our mascot, Delbert the dolphin, and I'm your host, Hannah Wands. I'm an undergraduate student studying environmental science at Oregon State University, and I'm psyched about all things science communication. I'm interning at a wonderful place called the Marine Mammal Institute for the summer through OSU's Marine and Coastal Opportunities program. So, what is a cetacean anyways? Cetaceans are whales, dolphins, and porpoises. They're marine mammals, but they've been placed into an additional category because there are different types of marine mammals. For example, another group of marine mammals are called pinnipeds, which include seals, sea lions, and walruses. Cetaceans spend their entire lives in water, while pinnipeds have the ability to survive for an extended period of time outside of water. With these characteristics in mind, it's clear to see why these labels and categories were created, so that it's easier for us to understand the differences between these animals. Okay, so the word cetacean refers to whales, dolphins, and porpoises. They are the marine mammals that we'll be learning about by talking with the people at the Marine Mammal Institute who are studying them. Well, what is the Marine Mammal Institute? Picture the ocean, crashing waves, bright corals, its flurry of sea life. Each grain of sand, each organism in the ocean has its purpose. Marine mammals are some of the many creatures that make up this delicate balance. Without research organizations such as the Marine Mammal Institute, the lives of these charismatic megafauna could be endangered. The Marine Mammal Institute, or MMI, is a branch of Oregon State University's College of Agricultural Sciences, located in Newport, Oregon. It started out in 1982 as the Marine Mammal Program, researching how humans and marine mammals influence one another and the way these interactions could be managed. MMI's first research laboratory, called the Whale Telemetry Group, was led by Dr. Bruce Mate from 1983 to 2019. The lab focused on tagging whales. Tagging is similar to how you might keep track of your friends and family on an app like Life360. But asking whales to hold onto a cell phone would be pretty tricky. So instead, let's imagine there's this tiny device that you wear on your back that tells your family where you are and a bit about how you're moving, like whether you're walking, driving, or in a boat. By having an estimate of the speed and distance you're traveling, your family is able to have a rough idea of what time you'll be home for dinner tonight. Similarly, the collection of whale tagging data eventually helped provide us with a better understanding of diving behaviors, hangout spots, and travel destinations of these endangered whales. As a result, decision makers have more information readily available to them, which they can use to assess how to best manage human impacts on these animals. After many years of tagging and data analysis, OSU granted the program full institute status in 2006, marking the birth of MMI. After Dr. Mate's retirement in 2019, Dr. Lisa T. Balance stepped in as MMI's new and current director. In recent years, MMI has doubled in size, gaining new professors, more students, and continuously fascinating research. It consists of 6 different research laboratories today, as well as a center of excellence and an institute-wide research project. All in all, MMI dives into understanding how humans and marine mammals interact with each other, weaving together research, education, and public outreach. Thank you for listening to this introductory episode of Cetacean Nation. Once again, I'm your host, Hannah Wands. Tune in next week for our first official episode, where graduate student Celeste Sorrentino will discuss her experience here at MMI, studying the mother and calf behavior of gray whales and blue whales. Thank you to my mentor at the Marine Mammal Institute, Minda Stiles, my Marine and Coastal Opportunities Advisor, Cynthia Leonard, as well as the entire MACO program in general for making my internship possible, and Delbert's character design artist, Noah Wands. Wondering how you can help advance the research happening at MMI? Consider purchasing a gray whale license plate if you live in the state of Oregon. For just $40 every 2 years, you can help support the research, education, and outreach happening at the Marine Mammal Institute. By putting a whale on your tail, you will not only help us learn more about cetaceans, but a variety of marine mammals. Don't live in Oregon? You can still help by joining the pod as a donor today. Find out more by checking out the link in the bio of our Instagram, at cetacean_nation_pod. and welcome to the Cetacean Nation podcast. That little creature you clicked on when you pressed on today's episode? Bleh. Hello there, and welcome to the Cetacean Nation podcast. The little creature you clicked on when you pressed... The little creature you saw when you clicked on today's episode. Thank you for listening today. Thank you for listening to... Thank you for listening to... Thank you for listening to today's introductory episode of Cetacean Nation.